Shalom, brothers and sisters. This is your brother Wasilkamilbey coming at you, Shamstoppers. I want to talk about this story. I got a dude forced to pay for child support, and it don't make no sense how you can be forced to pay child support. Only a fool would do it. You know what I'm saying? Only a fool would do it. Did you ask the right questions? Okay? He asked some questions, but did he ask the right questions? Just listen to this shit.
Now to at 10, News Channel 3 getting to the bottom of a burning question one Memphis man has been trying to answer for years. Why is Shelby County Juvenile Court forcing him to pay for a child that is not biologically his? What's even more unusual, he says the judges at Juvenile Court have an idea who the real father is.
Yet they're still demanding he pay up. Now he's turning to on-your-side investigator Stephanie Skurlock for help.
Talk show TV makes...
Now, did y'all see at the beginning it said juvenile? Check this out what juvenile mean. I went to the etymology. Look what juvenile mean. Okay. Y'all go read that shit. Go look it up. Now, if child support is in juvenile court, you in there, you just stupid. You just a stupid fool. They know they ain't found them a damn fool. You know what I'm saying? Because he won't get off his ass.
Millions off the catchphrase, "You are not the father." But the reality in Memphis is, just because you're not the daddy doesn't mean Shelby County Juvenile Court won't make you pay.
I was down there in handcuffs and chains.
Over the years, Edward Bowdery had his driver's license stripped and once even found himself in handcuffs over child support payments for a child that's not his.
I would hate to see somebody else go through the same thing. I've been going through this. Headaches.
This mound of paperwork shows a juvenile court judge ordered him to pay child support even before the birth.
I didn't do a voluntary acknowledgement. I didn't sign the birth certificate. All I knew is we legitimated the child in your name.
Bowdery asked several judges during several hearings for a DNA test, but no judge ordered one.
I said, how did I even get put on child support? And I never said this was my child. And they said, again, this is not what we're here for.
In 2009, he took the child himself to get a DNA test and found the son he'd supported for years was not biologically his. He took the documentation to court. The judge wouldn't accept it, but ordered a new DNA test done that showed the same results. Probability of paternity, 0%.
They never did do what they were originally supposed to do, which was give me the opportunity to take a DNA test. I was just a voice not being heard, so I guess I needed a choir.
Juvenile Court Magistrate Nancy Kessler agreed in October to allow Bowdery to disestablish paternity, but only after, he says, she admonished him for taking it this far.
The judge stated that, well, I find it very distasteful that you're bastardizing a child.
The judge stopped the child support going forward, but Bowdery still has to pay $460 a month to the mother in back pay. He doesn't believe he should have to pay anything. In fact, he believes someone owes him money, the $30,000 he's already paid.
You know what? They do. But he ain't asking the right questions.
Administrators at Juvenile Court denied our request for an interview on this case, saying it's not appropriate to comment about rulings.
Exactly, because juvenile shit has nothing to do with child support. We just did a definition on juveniles. Why is it even in the juvenile court? Child support is food stamps and Medicaid. People, wake the fuck up. Stop being lazy. And I know most of you dudes who are doing your time right now, I bet you right now on the couch, rolling up a blunt, getting drunk, probably finna go fuck a nasty hoe. You know what I'm saying? Go look for a job and go for massa. Alright? That's what's gonna happen.
What are the chances of him getting his money back?
It is very unusual and very infrequent.
Family.
Did you hear that? Did he ask the right questions? He can get his money back. He can get his motherfucking money back. Okay? Go to my videos where we said you can get your money back. We know what the fuck we talking about over here. This ain't no, we don't make up shit. Look, I'm gonna show y'all some more paperwork on the dude that I know personally. They begging, they trying to get him to garnish his baby mama's check after what the paperwork we did. Okay? Alright? Fuck with us.
Lawyer Miles Mason says in a similar case, the Tennessee Supreme Court ruled a man in Middle Tennessee could sue his ex-wife for fraud. He got a $100,000 judgment.
There was a very...
Did you hear that? Huh? Bingo, the floodgates is open. Alright? Did you ask the right questions? The floodgates is open. No dude got off his ass. Most of you ain't on your ass complaining like little bitches. Give us your address so we can send y'all address. Shit, we ain't gonna fight for you because you ain't gonna fight for yourself. Basically. You ain't gonna read. Can't write a sentence. Basically. Listen to the rest of this shit.
very large judgment awarded against the mother, but I doubt it would be likely that they would be able to collect in most cases.
In most cases. Now, motherfucker, in all cases, ask the right questions.
This bill is simple, that a person who is proven not to be the biological father.
State Representative G.A. Hardaway says he's heard from a number of fathers in his district who were like Bowery. He introduced a bill letting them file civil lawsuits against the biological fathers, but it never made it out of committee.
To a degree, justice needs to be served. I think it needs to be a totally different, a new law or something.
The question many people might ask, why is Bowery still paying back pay to the child's mother? Well, we're told by law, the new judge he's dealing with can't undo another judge's ruling. For the On Your Side investigators, Stephanie Skurlock, WREG News, Channel 3. Family lawyers say, if you're not married, get a court order declaring that you're the father, and as part of that order, get a DNA test. Don't wait. If you wait, you can wake up owing tens of thousands of dollars.
Bitch, stop lying. Hey, hit us up. We know how to go for the gusto, okay? We got all the remedies over here. And we just don't deal with child support. We deal with other shit too. You know. But come over here, come correct. Don't come here like a bitch, because I'm gonna check your ass this time. I let some of these guys pass. Move along, but this time I'm gonna get you. Cause I know one thing, you ain't reading. Because if you was reading, you wouldn't be calling us. Correct? Correct. Fellas, I'm tired of the bitchery, the thoughterry, the buffoonery, the coonery, and all that. We help anybody. Okay? That's what we do. We can help anybody. You come over here, you're gonna pay for this time. That's what you're gonna do. If you come over here, you ain't gonna pay for this time, you gonna ask me questions, you don't know how to ask the right questions to them folks who raping your ass, oh, I'm gonna get you. Y'all know how to hit us up, Facebook, alright? Wasilkamilbey at gmail.com, walkingempire at gmail.com. I'm gonna slap this in your face again, okay? Let you dummies read. Look at that, a loan. Who made the loan? Who signed for the loan? Did you go apply for the loan? Hey, you want to get them to leave you alone and get all your loan that you supposed to got? Hit us up. Peace.